At TrendSet Fine Arts, the topic area for contemporary fine art, up-and-coming artists introduce new and exciting individual works and series. Art gallery owners, interior designers, and interior decorators were at the topic area, along with trade visitors who ordered the one-of-a-kind pieces to expand the product assortments in their shops or for their own art collections. At TrendSet Newcomer, the topic area for young collections, young companies and designers presented their new ideas and promising products. At TrendSet Country and Style, the topic area for high-mott collections, many trendy and traditional, such as traditionally styled attire, country-inspired articles, and alpine heritage gifts can be found. At TrendSet Bijoutex, the topic area for accessories, there were many new products revolving around fashion jewelry, beauty, and fashion to see. Those were the topic areas at TrendSet Summer 2019. Visit the next TrendSet from the 5th to the 7th of January 2020 in Munich.